What's up guys, it's Ray Fierce. Welcome back to another video, and today, okay, I filmed this beautiful fall look for you guys. Like, what's big? My lashes, okay, what's big, bitch? But yeah, I filmed this fall look for you guys using the new Aina palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my first fall look. And thumbs up for the fall look, okay, for the first one. And if you're new, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love the videos. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, okay? Keep on watching if you want to see this. Bye. What's up guys, it's Ray Fierce. I'm back with another video, and today we are doing a fall makeup look. Let's just hop right into the video. I'm gonna be taking my P. Louise base in Roma number 5. They also came out with new shades. I can't wait to get the new shades. I'm super duper excited that they did come out with more shades. You guys know I really don't do much to my brows. I'm just gonna brush them up and brush them in place. Okay. So I'm gonna take my Morphe brush. I'm gonna just tap that out. I'm gonna put somewhere on the screen what kind of brushes I'm using. If they have a name. If they don't have a name, then I'm not gonna put a brush unless I know something that's similar to the brush. That's period. So today we're gonna be using the Aina palette. I don't know what shade I'm gonna go in with. We're gonna start with Credit. And I'll pack that right in the crease area. I'm just gonna pat, 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 pat. This is like my favorite brush from Morphe. I have a whole bunch of them. This is the M506 brush. I'm gonna go in with that ginger shade and go right above. Okay, so on my lids, I'm going and cut the crease first. Maybe you'll grab a Q-tip. So basically I take this Clinique makeup remover, well, eye makeup remover, and I dip in there. And I go in with the Q-tip. So that way that dark shade won't blend. Now I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base number 0. And that's just a white base. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna go in with Sponsored. So the shade that I put right here, I'm going in the inner corner with that same shade. Now I'm gonna go in with my liner. I'm gonna take my NYX liner. Okay, let's move on to the face. I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown foundation. Love this stuff. I'm gonna pump some of that on my beauty blender. I don't love this stuff, but I like it. And I didn't prime my face. Sometimes I don't prime my face. With this foundation, I don't feel like I need to. I want to get that neck. I hope the camera is not making me look washed out. In my last video, it definitely washed me out. I'm so sorry if I've been so quiet in this video, guys. It's because I'm trying to focus and I'm rushing. Look how white my hair is. If you haven't seen my updated bleaching video, go check it out, sis. What you waiting on? I like how long this foundation lasts. I don't like that it, to me, it's kind of sticky. And it's not full coverage, but it lasts a long time, so. Choose your choice. Do you want coverage or do you want it to last all day? And I'm pretty sure you'll get better coverage if you use a brush, not a sponge. I'm taking my Fenty concealer. Also not my favorite. Concealer is on. Start blending that out. Blend, blend, blend. Just in case y'all want to see. I'm really using Fenty concealer. So now I'm going to take my Lancome powder. So now I'm going to take my Make a Revolution concealer and contour with that. Now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty powder to set all over my face. It's a little dusty. Somebody at my job be getting on me. They be like, Raymond, at least you could clean up your product. Ugh. So let's go back under the eye. I'm gonna get a pencil brush and I'm gonna go in with that Critic shade. I'm taking some edges. I'm sorry if y'all gotta see a runny nose. Wipe that off soon. Now let's go in with some blush. I don't know if it's like a highlighter or a blush, but I got this in a P. Louise thing. So I think I want to try this. It's kind of glowy. I feel like it gives more glow than like blush. So let me go in. Y'all know I use this palette every time for blush. This is my go-to. Now let's go in with highlight. I think I'm gonna try to use this P. Louise stuff. Yeah, I like that. It's just soft. Okay, P. Louise, come through with the glow. Come through with the glow. And it's not like damn in your face. It might look like that on camera, but it's really not. I like the way it looks. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with these lashes, baby. These hood girl lashes, period. I'm gonna go in with some mascara. Well, let's get these lashes on first. I don't think I ever wore these, babe. It's like, these lashes so big. I can't wear them no worse, so I have to take them off. But you know, for video purposes. I'm gonna go in with some mascara on my bottom lower lash line. I'm gonna take the Lancome mascara. Lancome, baby. I like this mascara. Let's see what this look like. This from MAC. This gloss. Okay, this cute. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.